Welcome to AccuWeb.Cloud. Let's talk about what is Docker and how it transforms app deployment. Docker is a tool that packages software into containers that run consistently across any environment. But what exactly is a container and why is it important? Imagine you've developed an app in Python that runs on a specific Linux distribution. You want to share it with a friend, but their system is completely different. How do you ensure your app works seamlessly on any machine? One solution is a virtual machine, which simulates hardware and runs its own OS with the necessary dependencies. This allows multiple apps to share the same infrastructure. However, VMs can be slow and resource-heavy since each one needs its own OS. Docker containers are similar to VMs, but with a crucial difference. They virtualize the OS, not the hardware. All containers share the same kernel, making them faster and more efficient. In Docker, there are three key components: the Docker file, the image, and the container. The Docker file is just code that tells Docker how to build an image, which itself is a snapshot of your software, along with all of its dependencies. A container is the live running instance of your application, created from a Docker image, isolated yet efficient, executing exactly as defined. Create a Docker file, build your image, and then run it anywhere with Docker. For Docker Cloud hosting, please visit our website at AccuWeb.Cloud. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.